This is exactly why you need one. These pockets are not safe. Yo, I got a question for you guys. I'm making a video about this bike.
I saw you on YouTube. You were passing right there last time.
I want your genuine, honest reactions. Is this bike ugly or not?
No.
All right. Hey, you guys have a good rest of your day. Stay in school. Burn up. I'm obsessed with this bike. It's not too big, not too small. It's light and snappy. It's fast and powerful. It wheelies like a dream, and it comes with supermotos. If you had asked me to design the perfect bike, it would not be far from the XXX for the street.